It's good to be back. It's good to see all you guys again. Everything. Oh my goodness gracious. Let me double check something here. That explains that. I think I could hear myself. I could, because I had monitor and output on. The reason why I had that on, and why I sound a little different today, is I got a new microphone. I know, it's exciting, isn't it? So, I got, not only did I get a new microphone, I got a new stand and everything, so I don't need to knock my damn mic off the table anymore. Isn't that exciting? It is for me. I'm tired of dropping my damn microphone off the table. And yeah. So, not only did that happen, actually, you know what? I'm gonna go ahead and do this right now. Hello, everybody. So, Christmas happened. You can imagine. You know what? Let's go ahead and do the, chat scene. Hello. As you can see right here, I got a new mic. I don't want to lift it up too much. It's a, includes a HyperX 2 or something like that. Let me, X2. What the hell is this thing called? I believe it's a HyperX SoloCast 2. So, yeah. Actually, what the hell have I done? I have the box right here. Next to me. Where did it go? Oh, I had it next to me. Where the hell did the box go? Hold on one second. There it is. My mistake. It was the HyperX Quadcast 2. Not the SoloCast. Sorry about that. There we go. I need to set that up now. But another thing I got was I got a Stream Deck. Exciting indeed. I will show you in just a second. Let me, speaking of which, let me start my stream timer. Let me go ahead and, show you this real quick. Hope it reaches. Reach it. You can kind of see it. No. My fucking light is fighting for its life because this cord goes behind it. You kind of see it, kind of, sort of. It's mirrored, so it's confusing the hell out of my brain as to what direction I need to be turning this. Whatever. You get the point. It's here right next to me. I can set up the stream stuff. I bring OBS to the forefront. If I don't have it to the forefront, I may set it up to where I can just open up apps. I have a window manager to where like I can bring stuff to the forefront, say like I need. Whoops, wrong one. Say I can bring a go up front if I need it to. Or I need to go back to Brave, do that. I have also an alt tab feature. You can just hit that. I need to bring up Steam, which is on the other monitor, but you get the point. Blender, if it's already open. I have a button that tabs left and tabs right. If I'm on here, I'll show you this a bit better. And the button that specifically just closes a tab, whatever tab I'm on. So yeah, maximize button, minimize button, which is weird. I have to do like what the hell this is in order to actually get things to work properly. Sometimes it's finicky. Like sometimes it does that. I don't know why the hell it does that. That's not right. Yeah, it's just it fucks up sometimes. I don't know what's causing it. I tried to work out the kinks before stream, but I couldn't quite get it to work right. So I don't really know what's going on with that. For some reason, getting Windows to open and close is just extremely finicky on this thing. Sometimes it works, sometimes it does that weird half screen thing. But other than that, I also had the option where I could just straight up close out of an application. Let's see, what else I got on this thing? I can mute. I didn't say anything there because I muted myself, but you get the point. I muted. I have a button that just brings up the BRB screen. Let me open up my Caster Labs actually. That's another button I need to set up. I try to think about as much as I need to set up and practice. You haven't really got as much going correctly as you think you do, you know? But yeah, overall, I think this is really nice. See, I can open up YouTube if I need to. I set up a lot of stuff just to open up the Brave browser, which is already open out, so there's no point in anything. Eventually. But yeah, I think that's really cool. Oh, also I have a button. No, I'm already here, but let's say I'm not here. It just brings up the Godot documentation. It's just, yay, Godot docs. So yeah, it's really cool. And I have a button, which I still didn't work out the case. It's not exactly working fully correctly yet, but it's supposed to just start my entire stream and everything. When I hit it, it changes my scene to the starting soon screen. Then it hits record, and then it starts up YouTube and Kicks stream. But it doesn't always work. I mean, everything's working, but the whenever I try and hit the get the YouTube part to work, it sometimes just doesn't happen. I don't know why. I can't really test it that much because, you know, every time I wanted to test it, I would go live, so it just caused a whole host of issues. Anyways, yesterday I tried to use Restream, which for the most part was okay. The issue I've learned very quickly is that if you ever did Restream, it has a little watermark in the top right, and that's really annoying. And I was like, you know what? I ain't dealing with that. Especially not the cost of the fucking, like, monthly fee for that thing. I do not make enough money to pay for that fucking app or whatever. Like, if I go to Restream right now, give me a second. Yeah, as you can see, I tried fucking around with it. Pricing. Yeah, the standard is like $20 a month, which isn't that bad. But like, I'm not gonna fuck with that. AI clips, $20 a month as well. It's just a mess. I ain't dealing with this stuff. I'm kind of glad that the whole streaming on Twitter thing, Twitch thing didn't work out, because it makes it where I'm only multi-streaming on 2 channels, so this is nice. I can still use it for its chat features, but other than that, I don't know what else I can really do with it. I still need to fiddle around with it some more, but yeah, I'm not gonna pay for that right now. At least not with my current popularity and my sum total of 1 viewer. If that's even like a real viewer, if that's just like a fucking ghost. I mean, like, you know, like it says that someone's viewing, but it just bugged out and no one's actually watching. So who knows? Who knows? But anyways. Bring this back up. So yeah, we're gonna fuck around with this some more. Hopefully I can get a floor working. And yeah, I'm really happy I had the Stream Deck. This is really, really cool. What if I do this? That didn't do anything right. Yeah, I was wondering, like, if I was in the Godot engine, if I hit the button to tab left and right, if it would do it in this. It does not. Oh wait, it does. What the fuck? Why did it open my Discord when I did that? That was really weird. You didn't see it because it was on my other monitor, but it did. Huh. Okay, so I guess this works. I can use it for that. That's nice. So, let's see here. So fucking awesome. I'm gonna test this again. It's been a good while since I did this last, so I'm gonna fiddle around with this some more. Yeah. That's fucking awesome. Yay. So, anyways, what was I wanting to do this time? This. That's right, I wanted to make a floor, like an actual working floor. It's incredible, I know. So, so it's a static body 2D, I think. Let me actually run this. Hello. Now, why is it down there when I do this? Did I set up a script that causes this to act this way? Yeah, I tried fucking around with this thing before. Still absolutely zero idea what that does. I do think it's really cool that I got the camera to work with her. Oh yeah, that's right. This is all right. That's right. It activates the main scene. The main scene hasn't moved to the bottom. Hello. Yeah. So I need to figure out how move and slide works. Move, slide. Yeah, put that in there. Yeah, because like this, as you can imagine, is not ideal. This is not what I want to happen. It's really, really weird. So I don't know how to get this to work properly, but I'm going to try to get that to work properly. Oh, that's cool. There's a button where I can just override that. That's really nice. I could probably make it to where the you probably use my Stream Deck to hit macros in the engine itself. Even, so let's bring up this. Let's see what we can figure out here. Let's see. Does move and give do. How's the thing? I tried to figure it out on my own. I remember that, but it doesn't really work. Take. Put the keyword on ready. Oh, let me be more specific. How to use what is good move slide to make a floor. The Vercus on move slide actually works as information, but they just scratched the surface on how it works. Look at the picture, for example, putting the move and slide method in first line will result in the character having the downward velocity while he is on the floor. However, if the last line, the downward velocity will equal 0, which is theoretically correct, as the floor should stop him. I know I can check just on 4 before applying the gravity. Will work on both cases. So you could say just put it at the end and all work fine. Unfortunately, the code I'm working on is not simple as the example. In my case, move this slide within the middle of the process function works best as intended. Let's actually look at what he's doing. Okay, I just hit it over here. How did it bring the whole thing up? There we go. There's something that I think is cool about this. In the more recent update, I believe, is that if I adjust a variable here, come on, why are you not moving? What the fuck is that? I have to click in that thing. That if I adjust a variable here and save it while it's running, it actually adjusts the thing about it here, which is really cool. Oh wait, hold on. It was 800, wasn't it? There we go. Tapping doesn't really do anything. Sorry, let me do this a bit more. Alright, let's look at this. Move the slide. Yeah, put it there, nothing happens. So between here and here, something happens that causes this to happen. So I move it back here. This place right here. This, nothing. I just phased through it. So something between there and there is causing me to collide with this weirdly. Compressed. But what? Is it the position equals movement thing? Well, let's test. If I move this here, I can actually see exactly where it starts to break it down. Yep, it's that line right there. Now, why is that causing issues for me? Because it's just creating a new value, or making a value equal to another thing. On what up? Yeah. Position is equal to movement, right? Movement is a vector 2 velocity variable. So movement change. So position is equal to movement, which is it's just the positional value of the sprite, or I guess the root of the scene, and move and slide is interfering with that somehow. Let me do actually, do we have a baseline gravity value? Floor. That makes me curious. Go to the main C here, duplicate this. Now if we take this and rotate it by a good amount, transform, rotation, let's try it again. Okay, nothing. I did this. Nothing. Let's go back to our code. Maybe this below. Cut. See. Let's start it again. As you can imagine, phase through, but that doesn't do anything either. So this is utter pup use. Hold on a second. Now, why is that happening? I don't know. We have to use something else to help us figure this out. I'm actually curious about something here. Say I'm running the scene, right? Do this. Rotation. Do this. Yeah, that's literally fucking with a like particular little noggin right there. Huh. Okay. There's that. Whoops. You know, it's nice that we can do this, like, edit it live and everything. Is there an option to keep this on top? Let me look this up. I'm curious about something. Can you keep a running scene on top? No. Display window, always on top. Okay, sick. Project. Wait, where was this at? I'll just go to project settings. Display window. What? Where is it? Mode. Let's see. Initial position. Just screen. Just how wireless. Well. Light filter. There we go. There's display window size always on top. Okay. Weird place for that setting, but alright. So now, if I run this and do this and everything, whoa. We're getting freaky deaky with it. If I go over here, I can add this setting and don't have to worry about this closing out. So that's neat. Still need to figure out why move slide isn't working. This is one of those things where I feel like I hit a brick wall. Move and slide not. Good. I'm just gonna say this. I'm sure it's working exactly as intended, but I just need to see for example, as we said, we would set the velocity. Okay. Alright, set velocity, which we're gonna do real move vector. Okay. If more. Oh, wait, on is on floor. Okay, if it's on floor, then set the to. Oh wait, no, that doesn't work because I think I tried this before, but it makes it to where. There we go. Oh wait, no, hold on. Movement. I guess that works. Oh shit. That bricked it. What the fuck happened? Movements. I'm just gonna do .y or something, see what that does. Guess that acts like a portal. Altitude. 0. So it's just gonna reset its location when the issue touches. So, okay. So I got that working. I mean, not seem like I got it working, but I got something working. I got some knowledge going. If it's on floor, then I need the, I need the, let's see, what happens if I put the movement slide up here? Move. And slide. Oh, that was weird. Okay, let's try this again. Yeah, this works. No, still does the same thing. What? It's a bit iffy. We're not. That's really weird. Okay. Did I do that after or before I did that? Okay. See? Go. Doesn't work the same. No, it does not work the same, actually. Well, maybe. Okay, no, it does work the same. Let me push my fucking fat cheeks in there in order to actually get to do that, though. Y equal to Y. What the hell does this do? Basically, where basically nothing happens. It is. What happens if I do this? I feel it's gonna crash it. Oh no, it just subtracts its own value from itself. That's right. I guess. Hold on. What's the speed value? Times. So now if I run this. Oh, hey! I didn't even see you joined in the chat. I'm trying to make a game or something similar. Trying to learn how to make a game, pretty much. This is not working right at all. Sorry about that, I didn't even see you joined in. Let's see. This is actually what I usually, oh, no problem. Not a problem at all. Yeah, this is actually what I usually do on the weekdays. Is I try to make a game. Been having a hell of a time trying to get this to work though. A whole lot of stuff I'm not quite clicking with my head. Yeah. I can easily set gravity in this. I think. Is there already a gravity value? No, there's nothing like that. If I click on, let's see this. Where is the physics station? I don't know yet. Platform maybe. I'm really and truly just screwing around this and seeing what I can figure out or what I can get working. I'm probably just gonna make little projects here and there to actually, as a learning thing, just to see if I can get stuff going. Yeah, pretty much. Like, see if I can learn this. This is pretty much what I do here. Is that the physics process? I swear there was a physics thing. Hold on. 2D. Yeah, it's for this thing. It's for a physics body, not a character. Certainly not for a static body. Hold on. So if I can set the barrel equal to say 200. I get to where movement dot y is equal to gravity times speed, maybe. See what this does. Oh shit. Let's do times delta. By the way, in case you were wondering, goes over randoms then. Oh hell yeah! I got working gravity. Let's see. Just before right now I was playing a game with some randoms that boom left, so I know what to do. I try to enjoy the game interactions. I gotcha. I gotcha. Yeah, I'm just dealing with this right now. Let's see, actually. Still got another hour and a half to stream. So Delta is basically the, makes it to where the games, it's this whole thing, this physics process, it does this every frame, but whenever you multiply something by delta, it's like makes it consistent with time in between frames, so that your game isn't frame dependent anymore. It's more so time dependent, so you don't get inconsistent gameplay. If you have like a worse computer or something, or a better computer, it's not inconsistent anymore. Pretty much smooths that up. So if I do, what's my speed usually? Speed is 800, so if I do 500, I do this. Yay. Ain't perfect. Ain't perfect at all. I still don't know how to get her to like make it to where she actually sits still when she lands on this. But maybe if I let me go ahead and write this down so I don't forget. Great. Gravity. I'm gonna leave myself some notes on some stuff, so I know what the hell I was doing last time. Controls. That's right, animations. That good. Okay, I don't know why. What does this do? Yeah, I know. Like one of those rage bait games. Like fucking what was it, like Cat Mario, and I want to be the Boshi, I think it was. I think that was the rage one. There was another one that came out recently. I had to look it up. Let me yeah, what was it called? It's called Fever Meme. Anyway, I saw some clips from that. It was really funny. It's a little rage game. Let's see. Sets. That's between data. Yeah, that's 5. Let's see. I said that was a gravity thing. Big game. I'll call it cringy. You know what it's called? I can't remember. I don't quite know what you're talking about off the top of my head. Let me just see if anyone has an actual answer for this. What does this do actually? Again, it's an okay game, but it's ad times. I gotcha. I was kind of wanting to try it out, see if any fun. Well, I don't know if I know too much about it at this point or not. I saw a few clips, but I didn't see that many. No, it still goes through. I don't know what's causing that specific thing. This thing. Oh, it's they were talking about textures. Which I've actually read what they were talking about. What are you yelling at us? Show how floor. Let's see if they find anything in the documentations about it. Let's see, jumping. There's the part I wanted to know. Because if I remember right, it controls the, I need to listen to anything. Then let's just hit them on the ground. Okay. Collision. Yeah, that's for 3D stuff, so I don't think that's actually answering my question. Disable mode? No. That's not what I need. What's the bounding box for this? No. Here, this is actually talk about this. Oh my gosh. I've went fucking blind. Motion velocity. Motion velocity is equal to velocity. What the hell are they talking about? Oh, good God. Let's try a bit more. before we try and commit to reading through all that. You. I need somehow lock its positional data. If is on floor. I also need to send if I need it to, like, say there's a staircase or something. I just need to keep it from descending anymore. Let's see. What program? This is called the Godot engine. The Godot game engine. Like, I have an idea. Go. What's it gonna look up? 4. I'll just see what 4 does. Built-in functions. Yeah, let's use is on 4. That was something I was looking at earlier. Just get out. Is on. Okay. So we collide. Fling over out like the monsters. Is on the floor. Okay, if it's on floor and jump. Think about the gravity then. Where the hell is that actually coming from? This is a better question, I guess. Let's actually look at the overview. It's an invisible wall. Do I not have that? No, I have it. No, wait, hold on. No, it's right here. Table. Vision. Why do I select this? What does this do? I does fucking nothing. In fact, it makes it where I can just go straight through it. Huh. Let me click on this. Couldn't be done. We're just gonna skip through this until I get to a point where they collision, I guess. X. Okay, they're stopping friction. Okay, hold on. I think I figured that out. Is on 4. Okay. Multiply and equal by 0. How about that? That sounds good. .1 actually, just so I can still kind of move. Nope, that's not right. Shit. 1.0. Let's just see what this does. Just keeps going the same. Let's do 0.9, I guess. Okay. Jump like a jackrabbit, but that's alright. That's definitely not how you're supposed to do it. I'm probably way overthinking this and way overcomplicating it. I try not to take too long on this, but I don't want to like sit here and watch like a 30-minute thing, but I may have to, honestly. How about this? There, clipping, roof, floor, ditto. The ground with an area 2D oriented collision system. Gravity. Okay. Use collision detection, leverage I2D. Oh, this guy. Uh. What is the up target? What does that do? What? Here, 2 dot up. Actually, let me just use the fucking vector dot up. That's a lot of stuff. Good Lord. Oh, there's like 3 things. I don't know what that is. I'm just gonna select it. Boundary shape. What the hell is this? I'm so confused. Oh, that's right. Okay, I remember now. Up is just the, it's making the Y value, minus and equal to 1, I believe. So if, is she still sinking into the fucking floor? She is. What the hell? Oh my gosh. Oh. One of these days I'm gonna get an actual working floor in this fucking game. Ah. I'm taking drastic measures right now. I'm asking Grok how to do this. Let's see, let's see what I can do. Let's see. More detection. Okay, let's try this now. So what's listening here? I actually got that everything right. Oh wait, no, that's a 3D example. High gravity, every frame. There, I'm looking at the. Okay, I'm bringing it over here. That's not right at all. That was my stream deck. Where the fuck is it? There it is. It just disappeared for some reason. So, according to this, at least. Oh, that's for 2D. Retry. For 2D. So, completion layers mask. Such a character 2D and the 4. In center collision layer mask share at least one con of it, e.g. both have a bit 0 enabled on the layer / mask. Okay. Collision layer. What? Yeah, they should both be the same, I think. Yeah, they're the same. So let's bring this back. Picture tile maps. Okay. Motion mode should be grounded. Nails for. It is on floor. Set to floating. Or not that games, there's no floor, concept, character flows, everything. I don't know what that means, honestly. Yeah, let's see what this says. Not for. Okay. Well, no, that's right. Not. Then I set the what was it again? Set the huh. Wait for there's gravity. Do that, and let me add that. Wait, I set gravity low, didn't I? Yep, I did. Do 400. Shit. Well, let's retry that. No. Shit. That's not what I wanted to happen at all. Why is this? Usually double that. Why is the? Let's see, up. Speed should be that. So why is it gravity? Wait, hold on. Already had the. I don't know. It should be only moving at half the speed that is. I guess it's time delta. I don't understand what's happening there. She's still falling through. I'm on the floor. Why are you continuing the collision? I may just have to ask around or something. This is genuinely confusing the hell out of me. I set this up here, then this should just slide through, right? Well, not quite, but it's honestly better than it was. It's not as aggressive as it was before. A lot smoother. Minus, what does I do this? Huh? The fuck? Oh, okay, I get it now. I understand what's happening here. I still have the fucking gravity function down here. That's why I'm still falling. Alright, now let me try this now. Wait. Does that even make any sense? That's why it was doing that earlier. Okay, first of all, bring this back up to like 800 or whatever, what have you, like 400. That makes sense why it wasn't doing that. I just forgot that was there. Okay. So that kind of, sort of, almost works. But not really. It's better than it was, at least. Okay. Let's see. Sit back and think about this for a minute. Apologies if I go quiet. Dude. I can't do the move and collide one because it asks for stuff I don't have. Is on for what if I just do this? That kind of works. That's more funny than anything, honestly. I don't think it has to do with the physics processes, really. I think it more so has to do with the fact that the collisions aren't detecting each other for some reason. Am I using the right thing is the question. Let's open the documentation out. Let's see what we can figure out. For description. Disable it, I guess. Yeah, that. So they are detecting each other. It's just not doing anything. Or maybe it is. I'm just interpreting how this is supposed to work. Because in a way this kind of works. At the same time, does it really work? Else. I'm just gonna grab this. Let's reverse this. And let's just see what happens when I do this. In a way it works. But it really doesn't. I feel like once I overcome this hurdle, I'm gonna have a much easier time with this. But I don't know. Hold on, let me just let this up. Good dope, quiet. Let's see if I can find anything like super short or anything. An hour, half an hour. Wonderful. I just see. There you go, 20 seconds.
Collision shape 2D. New rectangle shape 2D. Resize. Create level.
Right here. Okay. Okay, let me just look over his code, see if I can leave off what the hell he's doing off of that. Let me look at something. Okay, let me attach a script to this. Okay, so this is the one. This is supposedly about how this works. The mass is fucking up there. Yeah, let's see if I can glean anything from this, because this is apparently what I'm trying to do here. If not, it's all for get gravity. Let's get gravity. Shows the gravity factor computed from all sources that can affect the body, including the gravity overrides from Area 2D nodes and the global gravity. Okay, I'm just gonna pretend I understood any of that. You. That's. And this. So I had this part right. Or just fall. And then they kind of stick a little bit, but then that happens. Right. So let's check this out. Let's actually I'm gonna use this and get gravity. This is the putting say total gravity is 980. Okay. So let's move it on y plus equal to gravity. Or times plus equal gravity times delta. So delta is I'd say about 2.2, I think 2.2. That seems about right to me. A little around there. Okay. clear that. So give me this real quick. I had this on the wrong fucking page too. Guys, let's look at this. That's right. Times delta. I guess I could just try this, see what this does. Let me okay, that didn't do anything. Let me just copy and paste this just so that I can try this out. I'm gonna open this. Maybe I want to copy this. Plug this into here so that I can go back to this. Okay, this, copy, this, paste. All right. So hit play. What happens? I can't go up. I can't jump at all. Okay. Oh wait. Oh, that's the UI set this spacebar enter. See, this is exactly what I was wanting, but yet somehow is. What was the button for this? F5. Huh. This is my old script. D. Awesome. Let's remove this. This one I don't have the movement slide in it until the very end. So let's go ahead and do that. Basically do this bit by bit so I can figure out where things went wrong. Okay. What movement? Actually, good position. There's an actual variable called velocity in this. I thought hold on a second. I thought this whole time that velocity didn't exist. I thought this was just a variable that was created for purposes. I didn't realize it was already a built-in variable. Okay, let me write the documentation on velocity. Current velocity vector in meters per second used to modify during the movements during calls to move and slide. There you go. That helps answer that question. I should not be set to a value multiplied by delta because this happens initially in move and slide, otherwise the simulation will run at an incorrect speed. Got it. Okay, so don't do this. Don't let's see what happens. Oh my holy shit, she's so fast. Holy hell. She fucking schmooved. Oh my goodness gracious. Okay. Fuck. That was fucking hilarious. Oh my gosh. Woo. Okay. Yeah, I'm definitely turning the speed down. Oh my gosh. Holy hell, that was funny. Okay, I need to increase gravity a lot. What the fuck did I set the what's the jump velocity to? Okay, on this negative 400, here it's also negative 400. Why is speed so much faster here? She's very slidey. It's like she's on ice. So the issue I was having this entire time, I just didn't have velocity because I didn't think it was like a thing. So I managed to figure that out. That's so much fun. Oh my gosh. Yeah, let's see. What's this? 2D. Let's see. Why is the speed thing 100, but it doesn't, you don't move like a man possessed when you fucking hit it. Fucking speed. Direction times speed. The direction is equal to input, get axis, left or right. Actually, I'm curious about something. That get access makes me wonder. What is it? Let's print it out and figure it out. Okay, get axis. hell did it say? Oh, okay. It was input.getAccess. That's why it's confused. Input dot get access. Up, left. Wait, no, let's do down. Left. And then finally move. Wait, hold on. What? What the hell happened? Let's go ahead and how did that get messed up? That was weird what happened there. Paste that, now it should work. Huh? Oh, that's right. Too many. At most 2. Okay. Now let's try this again, but with up and down. Input. Dot get access. Up. Down. Right. Yeah. That's interesting. I don't remember what I was doing. To be honest with you, I was trying to figure out why speed was so insane compared to this. Because the values are the same. So I scaled it up by 5. Let's just do a regular size. Okay, no, it's not. It has nothing to do with scale. Okay, usual times delta. The velocity. Y equals jump velocity. New 400. Direction is. Wait, what is this? Input dot axis. Equal to direction times speed. moves from 4 to by the delta. Fuck. Come on. Here's, by the delta amount will not go past 2. So, so it moves from 5 to 10 in increments of 4. Moves from 10 to 5 in increments of 4. That's why it returns 9, returns 6. 5 to 10. Increments of 9 will return 10 because it can't go past 10 to 5 in negative 1.5 of what? Moves from 10 to 5 increments of negative. Why does it return 11.5? Because it does the opposite direction, but then it bears out, I guess. That last one was really weird. It got me confused. What was I doing? Yeah. I keep getting distracted. Fuck. Velocity.x is equal to direction times speed. And direction is just 1 times speed. So it's plus an x would be times equal speed then? Because it's either 1 or negative 1. Speed times 1, I guess. Times negative 1. Or, yeah, fuck it. Yeah, I did that completely wrong. This should be 1. This should be negative 1. But it's still going insanely fast. You know what? I have an idea. First things first. Delete this. Wait, let me see. Is that why she's going past? 'Cause that's a part of it too. That's part. No, not really. Okay, go ahead and create more of these. There you go. Just trap her so she could start fucking flying everywhere at the Mach speed. Like at Mach speed. transform it again. There we go. And there. Just in closer. Figure this out. Okay, she's significantly slower this direction than she is this direction. Why? Ah, man. Maybe this will make it a bit more consistent. Maybe. I don't know. I don't know if it's like calculating something weird before it's meant to. That's why it's doing that. I just realized that I had the plus still there. I thought it was like a PIM-DAS situation where it was getting calculated before I was intending it to. Alright. Now let's try this. Oh my gosh, that's so much more consistent. Holy hell. Okay. Just fucking increase your speed. And now... Okay. Just released. Move to. Oh, was that it? What the fuck was it called? Move toward. Move toward. Have to, hold on a second. There we go. Sorry, I had to itch my head. Did it have to quit? Yeah, I had to change the velocity. Velocity. X. X equal to towards current velocity to 0 increments of 10. Just up to 100. Not doing anything, I think. Speed. That's gonna be 300. So let's be 600 then. So is it working? Should do 1,000. Oh, it's definitely working. Let's add a new variable called friction. Equal to say 400. Right. Wait, shit. How have I set up? This is supposed to be friction. What the hell is it doing? Oh, it does it like as like a one-time thing. Okay, so it's an else value. Oh, I get it now. So I need to take this and just bring it back here. Okay, let me go ahead and do this. Else. Let's see what this does. Okay, so let's see. I should change the speed. Oh, baby. Okay, I don't know what happened there. Okay. I think I understand what's happening there. Let's look at this one more time. So it's at the if direction. Okay. Okay. Yeah, the reason that it's not working is because is action just released is a one-time thing, or at least it runs it once and then that's it. It doesn't run every frame. So I need to set it to where. What was I just doing? Where's the other side? Oh yeah. I need to set it to where. Hold on. Let me open the Wisely enough, not this one. What does mean in GD script? A type inference operator, often walrus operator due to its appearance resembling a walrus. Well, it does. It declares a variable and automatically infers guesses the static type based on the value assigned to it. Okay. That's what that is. I just assume it's a, I want to make sure that wasn't like anything special. So it pretty much the same thing as input.get access. No, let me just do solve type direction equal to input dot get axis move left and move right. Oh, and yes, declared it's a variable. And now I need to do is what was it? The direction. If direction. I need to look up and see how the if statements work again when it comes to stuff like that. I'm hazy on how that works. So I guess if that means that if it's anything other than 0. Times speed velocity dot x specifically is equal to direction times speed. Oh yeah, that works perfectly. Okay, and now I need to do it to where it says else and then the rest of the stuff. Else move forward current velocity 0 at a rate of friction. Yep. Run this now. That's not doing fucking anything. Awesome. You know, when you put in something pretty much word for word and it just doesn't fucking do anything. Copy. Oh, that's right. I didn't set the velocity dot x is equal to. There you go. Now the friction should work. Why is the UI? Why the fuck is the sprite not working? Piss off. Alright, you guys should press. What happens if I hit 0? Let's say friction is equal to 0. Okay, so it is working. It's just working very, very weirdly. Well, there would be a little bit of slide. There you go. See, something like that. The okay, now if I let's just do it. 80 maybe? Yeah, no. Let's fix the fucking thing where it's not facing the right way at all. Okay, if input dot is action pressed, move left. This part I know how to do. Other side, bench sprites dot play left. And now if I do the same, if input dot is action pressed, move right, dollar sign bench right dot play is now walk right. So now that should work. I don't know when those got removed or deleted or what have you. Yeah. But I got a working floor finally. Yes! And that was all because I didn't realize that velocity was an actual and built-in thing and not its own like made up variables for purposes. Uh. Is this just gravity controls? Actually, no, I could just do control slash. Wrong one. Run it. Yeah, that was just gravity. Velocity is plus equal get gravity times delta. So if I go here and I type in print get gravity, I forgot how this worked again, so give me a second while I see this. See what turns out. Okay, yeah, that's vector 2 with the second variable being 980. So it's basically saying 980 times delta. So, I gotcha. I gotcha. Okay. Now I just need to, let's see. Yeah, stream timer's up, but who cares? We'll, work around a little bit more here. Direction, Y. What was this saying about going up? There's a jump velocity. Alright, I can do the equal to yeah, velocity dot y is equal to let me fix that. Velocity. I should probably say that it is actually just pressed. And is floor. No, I can't double jump or anything. I need to add it where it's like actually forgiving about being not on the floor for like just a split second, so that makes jumping around a little more fair and fun feeling. So velocity just gives me a whole new dimension of stuff to work with. Figure out how to work with stuff a bit better. Move towards is also a really nice thing to learn about. Mini. What segment am I into? This is a global scope thing. Alert. There's a whole can of worms I don't need to fuck around with. Create key on the merit keypad. Okay. At sign key. A key, B key. Key location unspecified. Used for keys only appear once or when a comparison doesn't need differentiate left and right versions. Weird. Key which is to the left of its twin, a key which is to the right of its twin. That's really weird. These are mouse buttons. What is this? Hint type string. Hint string. Right. Right. Element hint. Element hint. Element hint string. Please. I don't understand this at all. It's interesting that they still have the deprecated ransom stuff in here. This is like some very advanced stuff I'm looking at right now. Noble int vector 2 vector 4. What the fuck's a vector 4? A 4D vector using floating point coordinates has a W value. What? What the fuck is a vector 4? There's zero I equal to a vector 4. Well, it's true. Link distance. Support standard. Multiplication and division. Linear interpolation, that's what LERP is. I remember now. Rounds X downwards towards negative infinity. Return the largest number that is not more than X. 4. I feel like some of this is for some like more advanced math and stuff. This is from ID. There's the object that corresponds to instance ID. All objects have instance ID. See also object.get instance ID. Drink equals water. Ready for ID, get instance ID, instance from ID. ID, print instance dot food prints for water. What does dot food mean? It's true if instance is a valid object. The NaN made that oh wait, no, that was the wrong one. Not a number. There you go. Look at the one right above it. Means NaN can be used to check whether a variable is a NaN. Is same. Is zero approximation work. Replace between two values vector defined in weight. Before interpolation, weight should be set to 0 and 1.0 inclusive. However, as I said, this range are allowed. It could be used to perform extrapolation. If this is not desired, use clamp F limit weight. Both from and to must be the same type. Okay. 04.75 returns 3.0. Yeah. That'd be why does that return 3? Oh, it's the largest whole number, right? So again, it should be 3.75, but if it's returning whole numbers, then that is correct. Why is it returning whole numbers though, and not 3.75? But it's using I don't see it saying on there that it's the linear interpolation is 0.75. So, okay, 0 to 4, that's 3/4 of it, so that'd be 3. Okay, that makes more sense. I thought it was like the thing I was looking at earlier where it's like 0.75 plus 0.75 until it gets to I thought it was like a move toward function. No, it's a, that's how that works. Okay. So that's like a third of the way from 0 to 4 would be 3. So it's okay. Yeah, that makes more sense now. I understand a lot more now. So hell, you could probably use this to make some sort of loading screen or something, like progress bar or something. I think so, at least. Probably. Possibly. But alright. Well, I guess that's the end of that for today. Tomorrow at the same old as usual. Got a new mic and everything, so I'm happy. So yeah. That should be it from me tonight. Tomorrow, here I can see all with this. Happy I managed to get this working. I'm really happy I managed to figure out that vector isn't just a fucking day-to-day input. That's the worst part about learning this, is that whenever you have whenever you have tutorials going on, a lot of the wording they use, and you think to yourself, oh, this is just a variable they created. No, it's not. It's actually a thing that exists in the system, but you don't know that until like you're fucking dazed and confused as to what the fuck's going on. Like how I was for like 3 or 4 days trying to do this. I genuinely thought that originally thought that velocity was just the variable they made up to do some calculations with, but no, it's just an inbuilt thing. That's great, knowing that I can just easily fuck something up like that. But at least we know now. So we'll see where we go from here. So, anyways, I'll be talking to you guys again tomorrow. We continue on with this. So we do. So, see what we can figure out. So, thank you so much for watching. She'll escape her cage eventually, don't worry. And yeah. I'll see y'all then. So, good night, everybody. We could actually test out. I actually use the button to end my stream. Let's see if it actually works. Good night, guys.